Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you how to access an airport lounge with Revolut. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Revolut application. Once you open the Revolut application, you may want to purchase a lounge pass. But you need to understand one thing. Lounge passes can only be purchased on the app, meaning the Revolut app, and they are only available to Revolut Premium or Revolut Metal users. As long as you are not a Premium or Metal user and only have a standard account, you will not be able to purchase lounge passes. A single lounge pass is valid for one visit for one person, but you can also buy multiple lounge passes for yourself and your guests. These are important things to keep in mind. As long as you are a standard user and not a Premium or Metal user, you will not be able to purchase a lounge pass. Hope this video helps clear up any confusion. And that's it.